Here's our bird, friendly bird. I'm about to feed him. His little leg. You want some food? Want some? Here you go. Here you go. That's a little too much. We're trying to get the more moist stuff.
It's all like this now.
Okay. Well, yeah. On the edge. There you go. There you go, buddy. You want some? He's like, dude, I'm about to pop. Yeah, let me push it off. Here you go. Ready? Open up. This is going to fall right in. He's going to gag your hair. You want it? Yeah, some water. One more drop. More water. Look at the water. Here's some water. Back the camera up a little bit on us. Here, just fill it up. Dave, some poop there. Just feed him poop. Here, you want some? He had a whole mouthful in there. You want to hold him? He doesn't understand that yet. Come up there. Really? He's not afraid of you, is he? No. It's okay. Look him looking at me. Like, it's okay. Wow. Can you see the bird that close? Wow. Mm-hmm. That's good. What do you got over there?
You want me to
Oh,
it's too hard to it's going out like a shower. Okay, well, there wasn't trying to
You haven't got very far, have you?
No. No.
There you go, have some water. He's like, dude, I'm not open up for nothing. It's like not a thing.
And there's
That's great. Let me videotape you. Yeah, that's great. You're such a good videographer. Let me put it right in your face. Jeez. Don't you know how to like get the... Oh, you monkey. Poor little thing. Hey, little boy.
not sure.
He's like, okay, I dig it.